Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Samsung AOD on your device. I'm using Samsung Galaxy J7 Max and it will work on any Samsung device working on Android, Nougat or above. I'll provide you the links in the description down below. Download both the files. Go to your download section and you will find these two apps to be downloaded. First, you need to install the plugin for AOD. Don't forget to like my video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I post video. It will take some time because it is a larger file. As you can see, the plugin has been installed. Now the time for the AOD service. This would take much longer time than the plugin. After installing that, you need to go to your settings. You need to go to your settings, then device management, storage, and wait for the clean now to appear. Press on that. Tap the three dots, storage settings, device memory, and then cached data, and clear that. Go to your memory and clean that too. By cleaning your RAM and cache data, you are ensuring that you don't have any bugs on your phone. Now go to your lock screen and security, and you'll see a new option called always on display. Tap on that, give it some permissions, and here you go. You have almost all the clocks from the Samsung and some more clocks. You can play with these additional settings. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and comment. What should I make on what topic should I make the next video? Thank you for watching till the end.